Hello everyone, I once again welcome you all to my YouTube channel English by Nisa. I hope you all did well in your exams and best of luck for your result. Now in this video we are going to solve degree second semester English question paper key which was conducted on June 14th. So as you can see here it is your paper which you got on June 14th. So let's try to solve this. So, as you people know, in part A, you had to answer any 5 question. Each question carry 4 marks. If you did this 5 question, then definitely you will get 20 marks. If you have done in this way, which I am going to explain now. So, let's see the first one. Answer as directed. Traveling is my favorite hobby. Identify the non-finite verb here. So first of all, let's see what are finite and non-finite verbs. Then you can easily identify it. So I have already explained in my previous video of this second semester. I have uploaded all the videos of second semester. You can go through the playlist and watch that videos. So finite verbs are nothing but these are the verbs which change based on the subject and tense, like go, gone, goes, like this, and going. But non-finite verbs are the verbs which will not change based on the subject and tense. Like non-finites consist of infinitives 2 plus v1, gerunds, and participle. So here you can see here traveling is my favorite hobby. In this sentence, traveling is your non-finite verb. So if you have done this, then it's good. This is the correct answer. Now let's move to the second one. Please try to act naturally. Oxymoron, hyperbole. You have to identify whether the given sentence is oxymoron or hyperbole. Oxymoron and hyperbole both are the figure of speech. In oxymoron sentences, we will find two opposite words, but in hyperbole, we will find the exaggerated form of the sentence which we use to emphasize on the sentence. So let's see. Please try to act naturally. Here we find two opposite words, act and naturally. Means acting and naturally. So these both are the opposite words. So it is the oxymoron. Next, I have a million things to do. Again, you need to answer whether it is a oxymoron and hyperbole. So here we don't have any two opposite words, but it is the exaggerated form of the sentence. So here I have a million things. Really, in me, we don't have million things to do, but to show that how many things we have to do, then that's why this hyperbolic statement is using here. So this is a hyperbolic statement. I have a million things to do. Next one, they dash over the phone for 3 hours last night. Now talk or talked. What? So here you can see here we are talking about the past. So that's why we need to take talked. They talked over the phone for 3 hours last night. Now let's see the second bit. Again answer as directed. She is a brave lion. Simile and metaphor. Here again you need to identify whether the given sentence is simile or metaphor. This is also a figure of speech like oxymoron and hyperbole. But in the simile you will find the sentence where we are comparing two things. Simile and metaphor both we use for comparing something. But in simile you will get some words like as or like. She is as brave as lion and she is like a lion. But in metaphor directly we will compare to something with something else. So you can see here we don't have any as or like, so it is a metaphor. She is a brave lion, so it is metaphor. Now here, come before it finishes. Quick, fill in the blanks with a suitable adverb. So simply you need to add ly here. Come quickly before it finish. It is adverb. So what is the work of adverb actually? Adverbs modify verbs or describe the verbs. Come, how she'll come quickly. So next one, the movie was dash. Provide the correct form. Now interest they have given. Now was is there. So which correct form you will use for past tense? Interesting or interested. So this we have done means in the previous videos. Was is a past continuous, so all continuous form will get ing form. So the movie was interesting, so you need to add ing to this interest. So the movie was interesting. Next one, write the portmanteau word that forms when we join multiple plus complex. So this, what is portmanteau? First of all, portmanteau is nothing but this is the formation of new word. So here by adding this multiple and this complex, these two different words are there. But when we add this two word, it will become a portmanteau words, means new word. So when we add this multiple and complex, it will become multiplex. So this will be your correct answer. Multiplex your answer when we add two different words like smoke and fog become smug. Breakfast plus lunch become brunch. So let's see the third one now. You have to arrange the following in a sequence. So these are the jumble sentences. You have to arrange it. So let's try to do it. So first could be this one B. This will be first one. The long-term warming of planets overall temperature is called global warming. Now this is your first one. So now here you have to answer what is global warming. So what could be the answer? Excessive burning of fossil fuels has led to increase in global warming. Now this will be your second C. Now what are fossil fuels? How this global warming will increase? These by these fossil fuels like coal, oil, natural gas, etc. are some of the fossil fuels when burned causes greenhouse gases in earth atmosphere. So this will be your third answer. So this is the sequence, first B, C, then A. Then what is this greenhouse gases? Here you have said the greenhouse gases formed by these fossil fuels. Then what are greenhouse gases? Now the last one, fourth, is the greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor, etc. So the answer is first B, C, A, then D. This is the sequence of this question. If your answer is different from mine, then you can comment me in the comment box. Now let's see the next one, fourth one. Fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs. So first one is keep dash the answer till you get the right. So in the last video, means previous videos, I have already told you always this keep get ing form like keep going, keep guessing, keep trying. So this guess will become guessing, keep guessing. So here you need to add ing, keep guessing. I reach on time because I left home early. So this early same as it is, no changes here. It is adverb. The the children dash beginning to enjoy their project. This is from your textbook. As it is there. This is in your textbook. So here we need to change this B form. B form. How many B form we have? We have is, am, are, was, were, and been in being. So here beginning is there same as it is, so this is ing form. So with ing form what we use is, mr, was and were. Now the children dash beginning to enjoy their project. Now we are talking about the present, so children are plural, so that's why we need to take are here, we cannot take is. And was we cannot take because we are not talking about the past but present. So the children are beginning to enjoy their projects. Now here no need to change this beginning because you need to change this B form which given in the bracket. This beginning will be same as it is. Next one D. I go to the park dash evening. Daily evening or every evening. Daily evening we cannot use here. Every evening we can write. So the correct answer is this one, every evening. Now let's see the next one, fifth one. Answer as directed again. So education plus entertainment combine to form the word. Here again portmanteau word is there. These two different word is there, education and entertainment. By combining these two word, what we'll get? We'll get edutainment. So the correct answer will be edutainment. Next one, he is driving too fastly. Rewrite the sentence making necessary correction. This is also I have already explained in adverb video. Fastly we cannot write. Here the correct answer will be he is driving too fast. This is your correct answer. It is inappropriate to use this. Next one, here you rewrite the sentence. You need to rewrite it in your answer booklet. See, when this city is a concrete jungle. Here simile or metaphor. So here you can see students, we are comparing two things, city with a jungle, but we are not using any like or as here in this sentence for comparison. That's why it is again metaphor. It is not a simile, because directly we are comparing city with a concrete jungle. So that's why it is a metaphor. But if it was like this city is like a jungle, then we can definitely mark to simile. But here no like or as is there. That's why it's a metaphor. Next one, she wouldn't dare to do that. Identify the auxiliary verb here. So here verbs we have main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are nothing but these are the helping verbs, and in helping verbs we will have primary auxiliary verb like is, am, are, was, were, and do, does, did, and also we have modals. So this would is a modal verb, so it is a auxiliary verb, and this do is a main verb. So this wouldn't, this is your auxiliary verb. Wouldn't dare, this is your auxiliary helping verb, and this do is a main verb. This is your auxiliary verb. Now let's move further. This sixth bit, fill in the blanks from the option provided. He did not complete the course as dash as he thought he would. So easy is given here in the bracket, so you have to add correct form of the easy. So as easily as he thought or as easy as he thought. So this is the adverb of manner, so easily you have to add here as easily as he thought he would. Next one, here only you need to add ly. How have you been dash. Now do is there, you need to change this do. So what you will do, how have you been? This been form will get ing form. So how have you been doing? This will be your correct answer. Ing to it, doing. How have you been doing? A loan word borrowed from Hindi, which means a teacher or recognized leader. So as you people know that we have means English language borrowed several words from the different languages. It is not a homogeneous language. So in the same way, it borrowed this word also like teacher or recognized leader from Hindi word only. So what is that Hindi word? So the Hindi word would be guru. So usually in previous days, in olden days, for teacher and for leader, for both the words, we were using the term guru. Next one, a loan word borrowed from Sanskrit, which means incarnation. This sentence or this question is from the lesson that is a different history by Sujata Bhatt, where she has given the description of Greek god. So that incarnation is nothing but this is called avatar. Where in that poem Sujata Bhatt she has said that the great Pan he did not dead but he has taken the avatar of something else. So this incarnation is nothing but it is avatar. Now let's see the next one, seventh one. Write what are the essential of paragraph writings, means what are the important things you should keep in your mind when you are writing a paragraph. So here in all the bits you need to answer 4 so that in that way you are getting 4 marks, but here if you answer only this one question you will get 4 marks, this one and this one. So what are the essential of paragraph writing? So whenever you are writing any paragraph you should keep 3 things in your mind. That should be a introduction, then the body of the paragraph and the conclusion of the paragraph. Introduction is something that by reading that introduction the reader should attract to your paragraph, and main body of the paragraph the second point, and the third one is conclusion of the paragraph. Now here what are the steps involved in the effective descriptive writing? What is descriptive writing first of all? Here descriptive writing we describe something like it could be a person, place, object or any experience, or you can describe your journey or any emotion or any situation. So how would you express that feelings? So they have given some points on page number 136 in your textbook that the first thing we should be original, means you have to express as exactly as possible what yourself means, what you have sense. So here in this also we have first introduction, then body of the paragraph, whatever is there, then at the last you have to conclude it. But avoid the headings of introduction, and that body and conclusion. So this is all about the part A. Now let's see the part B. So here in part B, first question is from the banyan tree. Comment on the speaker's view on the relationship between man and nature. This is only banyan tree, man and nature, because here the author, he was very admins attached to the nature, to the banyan tree. So how you have did this? I have already explained you in the paper pattern video. First introduction of the poet, then introduction to the poem, then summary of the poem. Whatever question you get, you have to write that summary only related to the lesson, then conclusion at the last. These two questions from the first means fifth unit. This is poem and this is prose. Either you can write this banyan tree or this bed, but you have to follow the same pattern, that four things: intro, two intros, and summary and conclusion. Next, this is from sixth unit, this poem and this is prose. You are having this internal choice: a walk by moonlight, or you can write how the coronavirus sparked the wave. This all the videos I have uploaded, these four videos. Next one, seventh unit. Here you are having Toni Morrison lesson, Nobel lecture, and a different history. This video I have uploaded. Either you can write this one or this one. Next, 12th last one. Here, Lady Macbeth. You can write the summary of this, or otherwise you can write a public speaker by George Bernard Shaw. So students, this is all about your paper pattern, means answer key of your English question paper of semester 2. I hope you all did well. So this is all about your answer key. I hope it would be helpful for you. Stay tuned for more videos of semester 3 because the syllabus has been changed. Thanks for watching.